Welcome back, everybody. In this video we installing a microwave drawer in a dishwasher. Take a look. We preparing for a new cabinet here. Make sure everything's nice and level and secure. We put in a new fascia 2 inches and everything's nice and level. Super critical, make sure it's level. When you guys install the microwave, I always suggest to set the microwave something flat. It could be a bucket. In this case, the vacuum turns out pretty good. Actually, it's almost level with the cabinet, but make sure something's flat and it's easy in your back and it's good for the microwave. When you guys push in the microwave all the way back inside the cabinet, make sure it's nice and gentle. If you guys take a look here, I was pretty careful and gentle. You want to make sure nothing get pinched and remove the plastic slowly and careful. Take a look. Open the drawer and make sure the cardboard comes out and you can push it all the way back. Super critical step. You guys can see we finished, everything's perfect, nice and level, and we installed the 4 screws. Lunchtime. Let's take a break for a minute and take a look. Okay, now we start to working on the second dishwasher. This is the perfect spot next to the sink. Super convenient. Something that I like it is cutting the wood in the middle with a multi-tool. It make everything so easy. Be gentle removing the wood. You don't have to use some different tools. Just tap it up. It come out pretty easy. Just have to be careful and gentle. Pro tip, make sure always protect the floors. Super crucial. When you install the dishwasher, make sure you lock the legs. It's level front to back, side to side, and that will prevent any problems in the future. And you can see here, this is an Asco dishwasher with the turbo drive, and the rack is fantastic. It's really convenient, it's really nice. Some people like it, some people don't like it. It's a personal choice, but it's really nice to have a second dishwasher. Don't forget, like and subscribe. We really appreciate you guys. Thank you.